Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding color filters on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Color filters can help people who are colorblind to differentiate colors and help people who have difficulty reading text on the watch screen. There are a few different color filters to choose from. Press the digital crown to open the app menu. Then tap the Settings cog to open Settings. Scroll down Settings and tap Accessibility. Scroll down the Accessibility settings and tap Color Filters. Tap the toggle to the right of Color Filters to turn it on. The toggle will be green when enabled. Here you can choose between a few different color filter options. At the bottom you can change the color filter intensity. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.